Okay, let's discuss about use of n. How to use the n, that means preposition. 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 Preposition on. Before dates. If you have a days means special weekend days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And dates mean exactly day with the numerical form, or including with number, including with overall date, not only the year, not only the month. You have to be 25th. So I was born on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Alright. They enjoyed a lot on Christmas Day, holiday, Dasai, whatever Tihar, whatever. You have to special days. You saw special day, Christmas Day. Somebody something touching on the surface. It is the principle of on. Alright. Principle, somebody something touching on the surface. The glass is on the table. On the table. She is sleeping on the bed. She is sleeping on the bed. The baby is lying on the ground. Lying. Baby is lying on the ground. Sleeping on the bed. And the glass is on the table. Lying and touching. It means touching. We have to, in this condition, we have to use while touching one surface to another surface. I mean, one thing to other, somebody doing something touching on the surface. Before means of transport, I always goes to office on foot. You see, I always goes to office on foot. That means by foot also. On foot, by means transport. He rides on bike. They are riding on a horse. But sometimes by foot also. So he always goes to office by foot also. They are riding on the horse. Okay. On with the verb. Keep on means continuous. Move on, to move forward. Insist on, depend on. Come on, please come on. Come on. Yes, this is common. Go on. This is request. Depend on. Yes, turn on, move. Switch on, switch off. Put a switch on. Put on, where, rely on, depend on. Okay, these words we have to use the on. Following condition: on fire, burn; on TV, watching; on the radio, certain; on strike, on diet, on duty, on sale, on the way, on the left, on the right, on phone, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. You must come on my birthday. The house is on fire. The workers are on strike today. What are you watching on the TV? So, for the use of preposition of on, we have to use dates and days. On Sunday, on Christmas Day, on holiday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Christmas Day, the Christmas Day, holiday, Dasai, festival, whatever, Tihar, whatever, and the date 21st, something, Sunday, July, the January, February, March, whatever it is, and you have to mention the date. In this condition, you have to use this date. So somebody something in touching. The glass is on the table. She is sleeping on the bed. The baby is lying on the ground. These are the touching condition. And this by transport means on foot, on bike, on a horse. These are the means of transport. And the verbs keep on, move on, insist on, come on, go on, depend on, turn on, switch on, put on, rely on, and the following condition: on fire, on TV, on radio, on strike, on diet, on duty, on sale, on the way, on the left, on the right, on phone, Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, like whatever. This day you must come on my birthday. The house is on fire. The workers are on strike today. What are you watching on TV? These are the examples. Alright.